how to straighten a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, in here, we're going to tap on the Pictures tab for albums. And then we scroll down and select a picture that you would like to straighten. So let's say I'm going to open up these pictures right here and then tap on the edit button. Next, to straighten a pictures, tap on this button right here. So transform, so you tap on the transform button and then you select the first one, the first icon, which is the straighten icon. And then you can simply drag the slider bar to the left or to the right to straighten the pictures. And that's it. Now you can also rotate the pictures as well. And here you can flip the picture, or you can change the picture size or ratio. So you can see there, I can change the pictures size or ratio from here. And that's it. So that's how you can straighten the picture. And then after, remember to tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.